at 4 p.m. Polling is underway in Seemandhra, barring few sporadic incidents of violence, with the youth and women joining serpentine queues to cast their votes. Moise burnt a police jeep and destroyed 2 EVMs at a booth in Koyur in deep jungles of Visakhapatnam, adding tension to law enforcing agencies. The bubbling enthusiasm, especially amongst the youngsters to cast their votes for the first time, is what making it all the more difficult for the political analysts and pollsters to keep their fingers crossed. By 3 p.m., the voting percentage shot close to 60% in majority of the 175 Assembly and 25 Parliament constituencies, according to the State Chief Electoral Officer Banwal. He told newsmen that there were complaints of media persons being attacked by some unidentified persons and assured of action against all those guilty. In case of a CPI candidate who has not been given the official poll symbol, he said a case regarding it was pending in the Supreme Court and the Election Commission can do precious little. Meanwhile, the YSRCP chief Y.S. Jagan Mohan Reddy, during an interview to a national TV channel, claimed that he was confident of his party getting a landslide victory. Replying to a volley of questions of his party's post-poll plans, he pointed out over his serious concern on how the state had been divided and how the future party government at the centre is going to behave. To another question on whether he would extend support to Modi or BJP, he made it clear that they need our help more than we of theirs. Elsewhere in the country, the polling in the 8th phase reported to be peaceful. The Congress party, which admitted that their Vice President Rahul Gandhi is fighting one of the toughest electoral battles in family's kingdom, Amethi, is making last-minute efforts to ensure voters turn out in big numbers. National news channels claim that Rahul Gandhi is going around in Amethi to oversee the polling process. More to come, stay tuned.
News at noon. Polling underway in Seemandhra amidst reports of mild clashes between the two principal parties, Telugu Desam and YSR Congress.